One, two, yes.
My name is Jitu Brahma. I'm from India. I came in Chiang Mai village to learn Chinese Kung Fu. I hope I can learn more Kung Fu techniques and take it to my country and teach like who wants to learn Kung Fu.
依家分佈咧就50個國家，大概有1000萬人嘅練習賽裏頭。喺08年咧就列入咗我哋國家嘅第2批嘅非物質文化遺產。從02年開始咧，到依家咧我哋舉辦咗總共係9屆嘅交流活動，大概咧有10萬人次嘅外國弟子過嚟嗰度尋根問祖。
Kung Fu and yoga teaches us self-awareness and self-consciousness. Come here and learn in the origin of Soili food Kung Fu itself. I feel really very proud. I really wish to learn more techniques and take it to my country and teach like who wants to learn Kung Fu in India.